Let us solve this question. It was asked in CAT 2024 in slot 1. Question number was 18 and it says that for any natural number n, let an be the largest integer not exceeding square root of n. Then the value of a1 plus a2 up to a50. Now, please understand this. What is going to be a1? Say a1 is square root of 1 and that is nothing but 1, isn't it? It's a pretty simple thing. If I take a2, the value of a2 is what? Square root of 2. And the value of square root of 2 is 1.414. And what your problem is saying, the largest integer not exceeding that value. So 1.414, and which is the largest integer which is just less than this value, it is 1. And then you have got a3. Again a3 is root 3. The value of root 3 is 1.732. Again the largest integer which is not exceeding root 3 is 1, right? Then you have got a4. The value of a4 is what? Square root of 4. Now since 4 is a perfect square number, you can find out its square root, which is 2. Not exceeding. It is not exceeding. Please understand this. Then you have got, if you have got a5, the value of a5 will be square root of 5. The square root of 5, please understand this. It is less than 3 and more than 2. So what is going to be the greatest integer which is not exceeding this value? Up to what value? a6. If you look at a6, this is also 2. a7, this is also 2. a8, that is also 2. But if you look at a9, square root of 9, 9 being the perfect square number, now it will become 3. So what is that we should be doing out here? Probably you're understanding our working methodology. So a1 to a3, it is going to be 1. Then a4 to a8, this is going to be 2. a9 to a15. Why a15? Because a16 will become square root of 16 and that will come out as 4. So that is 3. a16 to a24, that value will be 4. a25 to a35, that value is going to be 5. a36 to a48, that is going to be 6. And then a49 is going to be 7 and a50 is also going to be 7. How many times are they do you have this value? Because this is a theta problem, you do not have many options to choose from. How many times it is there? It is 3 times, so this answer is coming out as 3. It is 5 times, so this answer is 10. This answer is 10. And then it is how many times? 15 minus 9, it is 7 times. So probably if you look at it, 3, 5, 7, 9, so forth and so on. This is 21. And then that is 36. And then 11, which is what? 55. And let me control this. Now how many times it is going to be there? 13 times. So this is 78. How many times you have this? Only 1 times. And this is also, so can I say this plus this is going to be 14, right? So can you simplify this? Can you find out the sum of these values? What is going to be the sum of these values? Please add them up and find out the right answer. So what is this? This is 13 and this is what? 57. So this is 133 and then 14, 147, 147 plus 13, it will become 160 plus 57, the value will come out as 217. So what is that you need to know? This is what you need to know. And if you understand this, you understand the pattern, the problem is really very simple. If you do not understand the pattern, then you take 2 minutes or 5 minutes or 10 minutes, it is not going to be solved. So I hope you have understood this, right? I would like you to choose problems very carefully in your CAT examination and go to IIMs.